Hey guys, it's Dani'i and welcome to another video, and I'm here with updates on the Atlantic. We have two tropical storms. Karen is newly formed, as well as this tropical disturbance that has a high chance to become a tropical cyclone. But before I go into details, if you haven't, please subscribe and tap the notification bell so you know every time when I post a new video. We are on the road to 1K, and you can also share to make persons out there know what is taking place and to help the channel grow. Let us kick things off with Tropical Storm Jerry. Currently a strong tropical storm with winds of 65 miles per hour, and it is moving to the north-northwest at 12 miles per hour. So not expected to affect anywhere, at least until about the midweek, when Bermuda could be facing some tropical storm-like conditions. So even though Jerry is not expected to make a direct landfall on the small island, it will still get that rain, that wind, that's probably that surge in the rough seas from Jerry, because the cone has been shifting, maybe slightly up to the north or slightly down. So we just have to wait and see. But if you're in Bermuda, you want to start taking the necessary precautions should in case Jerry is going to directly affect the island. And next we have this new concern, Tropical Storm Karen. So currently Karen has winds of 40 miles per hour and is moving to the west-northwest at 9 miles per hour. And you're probably seeing these blue and these yellows and you're wondering, what does that mean? Well, the blue stands for Tropical Storm Warning that is in effect for Trinidad and Tobago, as well as the Grenada and its dependencies. And in yellow, we have a tropical storm watch in effect for St. Vincent and the Grenadines. So as Karen is going to go through those Windward Islands, it is expected to encounter some harsh conditions over the Eastern Caribbean. But once it moves to the north, probably goes over Puerto Rico. So Puerto Rico and the Virgin Islands probably going to be the next big hit for Karen. So if you're there, please take the necessary precautions from now. So Karen might be very, very close to Puerto Rico or even make a direct landfall, and when it moves back out into the Atlantic, it is expected to strengthen. So we don't know where Karen is going to go from there. It can go like that, it can go like that. We just have to wait and see. So if you're in the Windward Islands, expect rainfall 3 to 6 inches and maybe up to 8 inches in some areas. And that's for the Windward Islands, and for the Leeward Islands, you can get probably about 1 to 3 inches of rainfall. And looking at the satellite, Karen is very disorganized right now, hence the reason the rainfall is going to be so widespread across the Eastern Caribbean. And here we have Jerry associated with the front, and we also have this system with an 80% chance of formation through the next 5 days. So going through this week, it might develop into a next tropical cyclone and become Lorenzo. Not expected to be a threat to land as yet, but we have to wait and see what potential Lorenzo might do. So guys, I will keep giving updates on the tropics. If you found this video pretty informative, please leave a thumbs up, and you can also share your thoughts with me in the comments below or ask a question. I will try to respond as soon as I can, and remember to always be weatherwise.